I filled it up. It's already full now today, but yesterday it was like about up to here, and today when I got home, it was literally like up to here. I'm like, whoa, these guys are really hungry. They really like the sunflower seeds. So I'm gonna put one sunflower seed here in my house, and then I'm gonna put another one with mixed seeds. And that one, I didn't fill it up the other day, but as you can see here, it's already like halfway into it. So later when it gets up to here, I gotta buy some more. But we'll see. I get my seeds at the San Fernando Swap Meet. As you guys see, I go out there on my Swap Meet adventures. Yeah, definitely. It's pretty cool out there that they got seeds. But this is my chime. I got a chime there. I have this chime. This chime's a new chime that I just got. And then I got this other chime right here. This one's like to hold the door. Till the door opens and closes. And it's like pretty cool. And then my dad got the sign. I don't know what language that is. I haven't looked it up yet. But I believe it says beware of dog. I don't know, or caution. Dog, Great Dane is here. By the way, I had a Great Dane when I was a young child. It was a black and white Great Dane that looked like a Dalmatian. But beautiful dogs, the Great Danes. I'm pretty sure that's a Great Dane in that picture. But yeah, pretty much these are the only two and three. Oh, see, there's one here. And there's that one. And then I have this one. Has a couple bells. That's my newest one. And this one has tiny bells on it. It makes small noises. And most of these, my dad got them for free. We pick them up on our scavenger hunts when we go out recycling, and we find stuff that is donated to the streets. But definitely thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for enjoying a good day, and may the Father be with you. Have a good time. See ya.